let's take a look at the Teazers Rose Vibrator and Clitoris Stimulator. Here is the design itself. Now, this is a duo vibrator from Teazers with 2 independent motors, and it's suitable for dual the stimulation, with this end stimulating the vagina and this end stimulating the clitoris. Perfect for both couples and solo use as well. It's made of a soft silicone material for optimal comfort during use, and as you can see, it has a flexible cord as well, so it's perfect for a comfortable fit. Now, the vibrator features, as mentioned, the luxurious design of a rose and consists of a powerful mini vibrator and a larger vibrator. Both sides feature 7 powerful vibration and pulsation settings. They're very simple and easy to use. If we have a look, there are 2 buttons here. The top button activates the silicone tongue just here for the clitoral stimulation, and the button at the bottom activates the vibrations. To turn on the vibrations, click once on the bottom button. And as you can feel, it is now on. Make sure to hold for 2 to 3 seconds on this button and then simply tap once to change the settings. The motors can be acted independently on one another. To activate the silicone tongue, push and hold down for a few seconds. And as you can see, the tongue is on. Click on that same button to go between the settings. You can enjoy double the stimulation, and as mentioned, to turn off one motor, simply push and hold down for a few seconds and the vibration is off, and you can just enjoy the silicone tongue if you wish. To turn off, push and hold down for a few seconds and it's now off. And of course, it is rechargeable. It comes with a magnetic USB charging cable. Just below the Teazers logo, there are 2 magnetic dots. Simply attach the 2 of them together and it can be recharged for you. Now, when using this Teazers Rose Vibrator, we'd highly recommend to apply water-based lubricant to the toy itself and, of course, to your clitoral and vaginal area for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. For more information on the Teazers Rose Vibrator and Clitoral Stimulator, you can head over to our website. Be sure to give this video a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.